feel bitterly cold. Now these are the temperatures for this afternoon, low enough anyway, but when we add in the effect of the easterly wind, and that easterly wind's strong and it'll be blowing all week, but when we add that in, it's going to feel really, really cold. In fact, it'll feel, because of the wind chill, as if it's several degrees below freezing, and that's something we'll become used to over this week. We've got those east winds between the high and the low pressure, and that setup is here to stay really, but with a slight variation. At the moment we've got a little bit of a complication over central Britain. The North Midlands, North Wales, Northern England, Eastern and Southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. Here enough cloud around at high as well as low levels to bring a little rain, sleet and snow, most of it over the high ground, but it may leave a dusting or a little layer in a few highland areas. And that'll be going, in fact, through the afternoon and well on through the night and into tomorrow too. A little bit of brightness in the northwest of Scotland, the brightest, driest place all week probably. Maybe temporarily little brightness down around the south coast, but that'll fill in. As I say, central Britain still having a little bit of rainy weather or some sleet and snow more likely overnight, so it may get icy here, particularly on the hillier roads, but there could be a frost in many areas really, away that is from the milder southwest. Now, as far as Monday morning is concerned, those central regions of Britain will start off still with some remnants of the sleety, snowy, wet weather around. There'll still be a lot of dry conditions here too as well. And in fact, they'll tend to become drier through into the afternoon anyway. At the same time, though, rain moving up into the extreme southwest in the morning, may be preceded over the hills by a little sleet and snow, getting up into South Wales and other parts of southern England, probably by the middle part of the afternoon. As you can see here, it is going to stay cold. Looking further ahead, these weather fronts slowly extend northwards towards us, but by onwards they're retreating again, and then we get that cold blast of easterly winds. Frost tonight, as we've seen. The next few nights it will retreat northwards, that frosty weather, as the mildness comes into the south. As those weather fronts pull away, so we'll see the cold east wind dropping those temperatures at night as well as during the day. So some rain, seeing northwards for a time through Tuesday, and then beginning to head away again through Wednesday and Thursday. And by the end of the week, it's back into those easterly winds, bringing most of the cloud and most of the flurries of snow